Yes, Devashmita, yesterday was your birthday. So happy belated birthday, dear. Stay blessed and stay healthy. Okay? I'm fine, dear. Didi, how are all of you? How are all of you? Fine now? Right. So, yes, good morning. Good morning to all of you. Now let's start with our class. So today I will take your English grammar and the chapter I will be doing today, that is chapter number 25, that is who, what, where, which, when. All of you take out your grammar book and open the chapter page number 69, that is chapter number 25, who, what, where, which, when. Chapter number 25, who, what, where, who, what, where, which, when. Chapter number 25, page number 69. Page number 69. Okay, all of you open page number 69. So, in this chapter, we come to know that by the words from the chapter, the heading of the chapter, you can see who, what, where, which, when. By these words, we come to know that who means who is the person, means the mentioning anything. Who is mentioning a person. So, with when we are going to tell about any kind of a person, we will use who with the person, right? Who always goes with the person. What is about, when we are going to say about like what is all about, means some query if we need to ask about any kind of a thing, then we will use what. Where we all know about a place, it is saying that where the thing is placed, or where means about the place of any kind of a person or thing. Where is used with any kind of a place or any kind of a person or thing. And which is also goes with the thing, like which is the thing, which is the object it is. So in this kind of a sentences, which will always go with the thing. And when we all know about the timings, it is saying about the timings, when the things are happening, when your school will open. So in this kind of a cases, when means about the timing. Okay, so who is about goes with any kind of a person when we are going to ask about some person. What is going about some any kind of a thing or person we can. And where is we will use if we going to ask where the thing is, means the place. And which is also go with the object, which is the object, this kind of a thing. And when we will use about the when we like if we want to say about the timings, right? So these are the words of different purpose we use. And let's go through the exercises, then we will come to know about these and we will come to learn more about these. Okay, so you can see also the piece of a conversation you can see at the beginning of your page, that is the A portion. Like here you can see the question, who is that boy? So who is related with the person, right? Who is that boy? And another you can see, what is his name? What means something, we are asking something about a query. And then where does he live? Where means a place, where does he live? A place he is asking. And then I can see two cars over there. Which one is your father's? Means it is also want to mention about the object. And it looks to be new. When did he buy it? When we can see in the conversation that it is saying about the timings, right? Yeah. So okay, so can we let's proceed towards the exercises, then we will come to learn more about this. Okay, so let's, yes, and you can see there is a pink colored line. That this line you need to remember that who, what, where, which, when are question words. So obviously with these words we ask questions, right? So this line you will remember that who, what, where, which, when are question words. Who, what, where, which, when are question words. Are question words, and they help us to ask questions because they help us to ask questions, right? Right? Yeah. So let's now this line you will remember, okay? Because who, what, where, which, when are the question words, and they help us to ask questions, right? So this line you will remember. Now let's proceed towards the exercises, okay? In the B part you can see tick the correct answer. We need to tick it, so I will just write the answer. What or when do you get up in the morning? So it is saying about the timing, so we will use the correct option is when, right? When. Yes, very good. All of you have done all the things. Very good. Okay, so recheck all of the answers with me. Okay. Number 2, who or which is your class teacher? It will be who. It is mentioning about the person, so it will be who, right? Yeah. Number 3, what or which umbrella is yours? It will be, yes, which, because it is also want to mention about a thing. About a thing. Number 4, who or which is standing at the door? It is mentioning a person, so it will be who, right? Number 5. Number 5, what or which is lying under the bed? Yes, what? It is also asking about a thing. What or which is lying under the bed? That is what. Number 6, who or when is he? So it will be, right, very good, who. It is asking about a person. What or which are you doing? It will be, yes, number 7, what. Correct, very good. I can see that all of you have done. Good. Number 8, who or what is the tallest girl in the class? Yes, it is mentioning about a person, so it will be who. Number 9, when or where do you live? It is saying about a place, so it will be where. Correct, all of you, very good. Number 10, where or what is your school bag? Yes, it will also be where, because it is asking where the school bag is, right? Okay, so all of you have done B part. So can we proceed towards the C part? first, so I'm telling all of these the answers once again. All of you tick that correctly. Number 1, that is when. Number 2, who. Number 3, which. Number 4, who. Number 5, what. Number 6, who. Number 7, what. Number 8, who. Number 9, where. And number 10 also, where. Okay. So so will I erase the board? I will write the C part. All of you have done, let me know. Okay, so I'm erasing the board. Okay, very good. So I'm erasing it. Now this is page number 70. C part. Here you can see fill in the blanks, who, which, what, when or where. Okay, so we need to fill in the blanks. Number 1, dash pen. Pen is yours, so it will be yes. Which pen is yours? It is mentioning about the thing. Number 2, dash is your birthday. Yes, it will be when. It is asking about the timing. When is your birthday? Number 3, dash do you play in the evening? Yes, we can write it where. Where do you play in the evening? Number 4, dash teaches you dance. Yes, dash teaches you dance. Can you tell me that? Dash teaches you dance. Yes, very good. So it is mentioning about a person, so it will be who. Who teaches you dance? Who teaches you dance? Number 5, dash do you have in your hand? It will be dash do you have in your hand? So number 5 will be yes. Very good. Dash do you have in your hand? It will be what? We can write, it will be what. What do you have in your hand? Yes. Number 5 was what do you have in your hand? Number 6, dash do you leave for school? Yes, very good. It will be when. Number 7, dash gave you this beautiful camera. Number 7, dash gave you this beautiful camera. Yes, it will be who. It is mentioning about a person. Number 7, who gave you this beautiful camera? Number 8, dash is in your pocket. Dash is in your pocket. Yes, correct. Right. What? What is in your pocket? Right. Very good. Number 9, dash dress do you like? So number 9 will be yes, very good. Which? Yes, which will be the correct option. Answer. Which dress do you like? Right, very good. And number 10, that is dash do you park your car at night? Yes, right. Where? It is asking about the place. Where do you park your car at night? Right? So all of you just write it carefully. I am repeating all the answers once again. Number 1, which pen is yours? Number 2, when is your birthday? Number 3, where do you play in the evening? Number 4, who teaches you dance? Number 5, what do you have in your hand? Number 6, when do you leave for school? Number 7, Who gave you this beautiful camera? Number 8. What is in your pocket? Number 9. Which dress do you like? And number 10. Where do you park your car at night? Okay. Okay, as I can see all of you have done. Very good. So the chapter is completed. Now, all of you please give your attendance. Right? Mute your microphone. All of you. Now please give your attendance, all of you. No one will leave until I finish, okay? Ankita. Sorry. No one will leave. No one will do any mischievous work. I'm taking a present. Sudeshna Pal. Sudeshna Pal. Sudeshna Pal, you are in Pine, dear. Why have you joined in Oak? From next day you will join in Pine.
ম্যাম কিন্তু আমি তো ওকে ছিলাম ম্যাম
Say again.
ম্যাম আমি ওকে ছিলাম
You are in Oak, but your name is in Pine, dear. Your now name is in Pine. Okay, from next day join in Pine. Okay, so I have taken all of your present and the chapter is also completed. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you. Bye.